the front, the back cone. These are wheel weights. There's the hammer that you take off the wheel weights with and put them on with the hammer. There's a back cone. This is the adapter. The wheel caliper to measure the wheel width of the wheel. Different type of cones, the small, medium, large, and extra large. Okay, what you first have to do before starting off the machine, you have to put on your safety glasses, take off your jewelry, and also you have to get rid of like your loose fitting clothes as what he's doing. Also, you have to turn on the machine with this button here. Now we just wait for it to turn on. There you go. But first, before putting on the tire into the machine, you have to clean it, dust it off. Make sure there's no dirt. You could unbalance the tire, mess it up. Give the incorrect balancement. On the other side too. Then you have to get rid of the wheel weights. That could also affect the balancement. The balance machine also balances the tire, static balance, which is cuts the tire in half and balances from top to bottom, and it balances it from the hop, so it won't hop. And dynamic balance is when you cut the tire in half and it balances from right to left, so it doesn't wobble. Okay, first we have to find which cone fits the wheel. We use the little one and it doesn't fit, it goes right through it. Then we use the medium and it fits perfectly. So we're gonna use the medium. We put this, the back cone, to the wheel. And we put it on tight, that way it doesn't move. We also use the brake down here to stop the wheel from moving. And now it's firmly on there and it won't move or shake. Then we have the measurements that we already put on. And now we just put the hood down. And as it's spinning, we make sure that it doesn't wobble from side to side. It can cause injury to anyone around you. So we try not to get anyone behind us, or make sure it's on properly so it doesn't hurt anyone. And this is our measurements for the wheel weights. And these are aluminum and these are steel. And as you can see, our wheel is steel, so we have to use the steel weights. And for this one, if we did this in aluminum wheel, but it is chrome plated, but it's still aluminum. And as you can see, the wheel flame is a lot wider than the steel wheel. As you can see, it's a lot smaller, a lot thinner. This one's a lot wider. A lot bigger. And This one is a steel one, and so we use for the steel wheel, and this one is an aluminum wheel. And as you can see, that the difference between the two is that that piece right there is a lot bigger than this one. So this one makes it aluminum because it's bigger, and it's smaller, so it is steel. You press enter or start, and these buttons right here represent for every part of these. Like F2 would be this one, F3 and 4, and F1 would be the exit. And this part right here is named the offset of the wheel. So this is the wheel width, and this is the wheel diameter, also known as rim size. This we use it to measure the offset of the wheel. See, it's 95. You put on the machine 95 for offset. Leave the buttons down there. And then we go to wheel width. And we use the wheel caliper to measure the wheel width. And we use it on the wheel flange right here. This part right here is the wheel flange. You have to measure up with that. As you can see right here, it is a 6. Size 6 wheel width. Use the number again, type in the correct measurement. Now it's the rim diameter. And we can see the rim diameter by looking at that R right there. That R, and it represents R15, which R15 is rim size 15, also known as wheel diameter. Size 15. Then we lower the hood to commence wheel balancing. Make sure if the wheel is spinning that it doesn't wobble from side to side. It could cause it to fly off and cause damage to others. And never stand behind the hood. Then we open the hood up. As you see on the computer, that you have to match it up with this right here. So whenever you gotta move the wheel, you have to move the wheel. So like right now, it's matched up, so it's perfect. So we just follow this line right here, and we just put it on right there, and it'll be perfect. And the measurement right here, you have to find one that's 1.00 of a wheel weight. And you see here, it's 1.0, and with the wheel weight, we just fit it in there, and we just hit it a couple times, so it stays on there, right? And make sure it's on there firmly. Then we do the next one. Measure it up with the wheel. And it's perfect right now. So we find one that's 0.25. And as you see that there is no 0.25, all we can find is a 0.75. So we're gonna have to cut it. So it's only, we're cutting it because there's no 0.25. And we cut it. And we use the brake again to stop the wheel from moving. And if you go to this side, it's the same thing. You use this as the middle weight, middle piece to measure it. and we just put it right there in the middle. We just hit it a couple times, go right in. And that's it. That's all you need to balance the wheel.